Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys something I noticed that's new in the SMS Phone Leads that they're offering you before you purchase the system. Okay, I don't see it afterwards, but it looks like it's a bonus or something you get before you purchase. Okay, because I received a payment today. It was $20 plus $10. Okay. And I still received a $33 upgrade. So what I did is I have another account. I'm going to show you guys what that is, and it's a great little bonus, guys. So I went ahead and just set me up another account just so I can show you guys this, okay? So this is the new page, but let me switch over to where I can show you. It's well worth you paying. It's $20 for the system, and it's $33 a month if you want to upgrade to text 200 text messages a day, okay? But let me show you this extra little bonus for $10 that you get, but you have to get it at the time of purchase when you first purchase the system, okay? So hang on a second. Okay, let me show you. This is a dummy account, so do not go to these links here. Forget this. This is a dummy account I just created, okay? Right here, when you first sign up, getting ready to purchase and pay $20, it also asks you, do you want to pay $10 to get this additional training? I would say yes. Okay, so I did that. I set up an account so that I can get this extra bonus. Okay, so when you click it, I just want to show you it is some, as he calls it, some phone funnel secrets for an extra $10. Okay. So once I purchase that, okay, check this out here. See, there's some training here. Here's a 9-minute video. SMS broadcasting. Here's another video. Here's a video, and here's a video, and I'll show you. Okay. I've already watched these. It's pretty good information. 21 minutes on that one. SMS systems. Okay. Advanced strategy, that's a 21-minute video. Okay, and so it's 4 videos. Okay, here's the other, there's 4 videos in that one, guys. So for that extra $10, it's definitely worth you going ahead and paying that extra $10. If you choose, I just want to show you that is an option, and I've been noticing that, you know, people are purchasing this system, and then I'm getting an extra $10. Okay, so it's this phone funnel secrets. Okay, so that's what you're getting. So that's some additional training you can get for $20. They really give you a lot of training here. If you just click here, okay, just for the $20, guys. When you go to training, click access bonuses. That's for just joining for $20. Let me show you. Okay, here's four bonuses that you're going to get. You get your credits right here, the $100 100 credits. That's a bonus. I've already used mine. Here's bonus number 2, bonus number 3, and bonus number 4. Okay, so for $20, you get a good little bit of information, as well as how to set this thing up. When you log in your back office, you go up to the training, click Set Up My SMS System. Okay. And there's going to be video tutorials on how to actually set up everything. I'm going to show you guys that. Okay. SMS Phone Leads overview. So just watch these videos, guys, step by step. Okay. There you go. To set up your SMS Phone Lead system. It's very simple. It's not that hard at all. All right. And then right here, it'll tell you to go over here to get everything set up. For as a voice, I'm actually just using the texting, and I have a recorded message on my phone number as well. I'm not using a bridge page at this time. I may set it up later. But this is where you're going to set everything up. But just watch those videos. Also under system specs, you buy your credits right here. You click system specs, you purchase your credits, because remember, you're going to need at least 200 credits to send one message. Okay, so you're going to system specs, purchase more credits, pick the package that works for you. Okay, there's 3 packages back here. Okay, 12 bucks, 36 bucks, and 60 bucks. Okay, takes 200 credits to send 1 message. In my opinion, the $60 package is the best, but work with your budget. Okay, so you'll buy your credits, and the only other thing you're going to do is go right here. When you send your message, you're going to go right here to send your message. Let me see which account I'm in, and I can show you how that looks. Because I signed into 2 accounts. Hold on 1 second. Okay, where you're going to go, guys, you're going to go to SMS Specs and click New Built-in SMS Blaster to send your message. Okay. Here you have 125 characters that you can use in this box. If you want to test it to see what it looks like, if you like to test your message to see how it looks, put your cell phone number right here and hit test. That way you can see how it appears on your phone to see if it's, to your liking. Okay, that's it, guys, and hit the send and you're done. And you can use SMS Phone Leads from your cell phone or from an actual device, whether it's a laptop or a tablet, doesn't matter. Okay, so it's definitely great for on the go. You can do this from your smartphone. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that the bonuses and where you locate everything in this system. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today. Just wanted to make it quick, but this system is only $20. Okay, and it's $33 a month. Okay, if you would like to send 200 text messages a day, and you're going to make residual income off of that 33 bucks, okay? You're going to make $16 from everyone that upgrades for 33 a month, and you're going to make the 20 up front. And then if someone purchases that $10 training, you're going to make that. So up front, you're going to make 20 plus 10, okay? So that's 30 bucks. And then on the back end, you make the 33. Worst case, you're making $20. I mean, you get quite a bit of little information with this system, okay? And it's about you using this system to promote your primary business. That's the focus, okay? But you can make some $20 commissions, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for SMS Phone Leads. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like the video. And go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, guys, okay? Thanks for checking it out. But go log in your back office right now. Go ahead and grab those bonuses that came with the system for 20 bucks. And if you haven't purchased SMS Phone Leads, okay, that $10 additional training is very helpful, okay? So it's some extra training and secrets that he give you, okay? So that's all I want to bring to you today. You guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.